Large areas of filler are first ground down to bare metal using a 36 grit fiber resin disc like this one, and that leaves some pretty deep scratches that need to be feather edged before spraying any primer. So today we're going to take a look at a few things that can really speed up your DA sanding. In a body shop, everything has to be done efficiently to move cars, and in this case these deep scratches would take quite a bit of time using a regular DA with 120 grit. So if you hit it first with a Bondo hog and the paper you used to sand this filler, it'll knock those deep scratches down, making it easier to sand them with 120 on a DA. We're going to try to stay off this door, but we did tape it just to make sure. Here's a difference that made. This is a smooth, gradual transition, and this is rough and abrupt. As for the DA that you use, these National Detroit DAQs, either with a 6 or 5 inch pad, are faster than any other DA out there. They have a special geometry that keeps the pad clean, and they're just much more aggressive because they have a longer throw than your regular palm sander. Here's a close-up of what that area should look like before you prime it. You see a nice gradual transition between the filler and the old paint. I hope you enjoyed this brief video on how to speed up your DA sanding. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.